Hey everyone, welcome back to Vic and Rena. So today, we're driving headfirst into the Black Friday weekend madness at South Edmonton Common. And let me tell you, this place is no joke. It's massive. Like over 320 acres of retail therapy. We're talking 2.3 million square feet of shopping, dining, and entertainment. Oh, and fun fact, there are over 150 stores here. And they say it's one of the largest open-air retail developments in North America. And today you'll see it for yourself.
And yeah, this place is super easy to get to. If you're new to Edmonton or plan to visit, it's in South Edmonton, near Gateway Boulevard and Anthony Henday Drive. All right, so here's the deal. With today being a Black Friday weekend, we've picked 5 stores to check out, and we have no affiliations to any of these stores. We just want to give you a real feel for what South Edmonton Common is all about. And honestly, we're going into this totally blind. We have no idea what to expect, but that's half the fun, right? So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this scenic drive.
First up, an absolute classic. Let's check out IKEA. You can't come to South Edmonton Common without stopping here. Did you know there are only 16 IKEA stores in all of Canada? And Edmonton's one and only IKEA is right here. And let me tell you, it's huge. This store was opened in 2003 and covers 300,000 square feet. It pulls in over 2 million visitors a year, which averages to more than 5,000 shoppers every single day.
2 million shoppers is actually a lot. And guys, honestly, this store is massive. Just driving around here, you truly appreciate how insanely huge IKEA stores really are.
Also, it's home to an in-store restaurant that serves a variety of Swedish dishes, including the legendary Swedish meatballs.
Did anyone ever check out the Swiss restaurant in the IKEA store before? I would like to know how good the meatballs truly are.
These meatballs are IKEA's signature offering, and trust me, they're worth the trip alone. But seriously, is Black Friday dead? Because right now, it definitely doesn't feel like it. We drove around the parking lot to check out the traffic, and honestly, it feels like a regular day of shopping. No insane crowds, no long lines spilling out of stores, just the usual buzz of people grabbing what they need. I mean, is Black Friday even still a thing anymore? Anyways, let's keep it moving to our next store, which is actually less than a 2 minutes drive.
We are here at Walmart. So, Edmonton has 12 Walmart locations. While we don't have the exact size of this Walmart, it's definitely one of the biggest in the city. And we'll go ahead and say it's one of the oldest too, having opened back in 2007. But honestly, the foot traffic here is laughable for a Black Friday weekend. I am beginning to believe that Black Friday is dead. Seriously, gone were the days you would be driving in circles for several minutes to find a parking spot. Guys, IKEA was way better because the parking lot is half like empty. So we decided to spin around quickly and show you guys how empty this parking lot is. Guys, this is actually laughable. Personally, I have not purchased anything this Black Friday, and it feels like there are many of me out there. Anyways, the biggest Walmart in the city is over at Kingsway Mall. It opened in 2022 and covers a massive 149,000 square feet, which is literally about half the size of the IKEA we visited. It's actually the newest Walmart location to be opened in the city. We'll plan to feature that in a future video. That said, what's Black Friday shopping without a Costco run? Let's go check out Costco.
I love Costco. It's hands down my go-to shopping store. And this Costco warehouse at South Edmonton is at a super convenient location. This location has been around since 1990, making it one of the oldest in Edmonton. Edmonton has 5 Costco locations, and this is among the busiest in the city. Now, we couldn't dig up the exact size of this particular location, but Costco warehouses generally range from 80,000 to 230,000 square feet. Yeah, they're huge. And newer stores often top 140,000 square feet, so you know this place is built to handle the crowds. Well, sort of. And as you can see, finding a parking spot feels like a scavenger hunt. And don't even get me started on trying to leave once you're done shopping. But honestly, once you're inside, it's all worth it. Costco is busy all year round, and if I'm being real, I don't think Black Friday is what's driving the crowd here today. There are always good deals going on, no matter when you show up. So it's just Costco doing what Costco does best, pulling in shoppers with unbeatable value.
We can't skip over Best Buy when talking about Black Friday. This location here is usually one of the busiest in the city. Now, we don't have the exact square footage, but compared to the other stores we've driven by, this one isn't exactly massive. probably somewhere around 20,000 square feet. What really caught us off guard, though, was the traffic, or should I say the lack of it, for a Black Friday weekend. But honestly, it makes sense. These days, most people are shopping for tech gadgets online. I mean, with Amazon taking such a big share of the tech market, why wouldn't you price match and save yourself the hassle, right? But wow, remember back in the day? People would line up at Best Buy in freezing cold weather hours before the doors open just to charge in for those doorbuster deals. Yeah, that's pretty much history now. It's wild how times have changed, because looking at the foot traffic here, you'd never guess it's Black Friday. Anyways, let's keep this rolling and head to our fifth and final store. Can you take a guess?
To wrap up our Black Friday tour, we decided to drive by Canada's very own Canadian Tire. And this location is biggest among the 8 Canadian Tire locations in the city, with a massive 140,000 square feet of retail space spread over 2 floors. Actually, from our research, it is also ranked as the biggest in Alberta. And get this, it even has escalators for shopping carts. I mean, how often do you see that at a Canadian Tire? This store opened back in 2015, so it's relatively new. And I heard that it's designed to showcase the future of Canadian Tire, with expanded departments and interactive features like virtual reality and a driving simulator.
Yeah, no kidding. The automotive department here has Canadian retail's first ever car simulator. You can actually test drive tires in different weather conditions before buying and installing them on your vehicle. Like, imagine being able to drive in the snow to see how those winter tires perform before you commit. That's next level customer service. And it doesn't stop there. Over in the seasonal department, they've got this VR backyard builder. You put on an Oculus headset and boom, you're building your dream patio or backyard in 3D. It's like playing Sims, but for your real life space. I mean, how cool is that? They've got over 100 digital screens spread across different departments to make sure you're getting all the info you need. It's seriously unlike anything else in Canada.
As we're driving by, you can really see how impressive this store is. All right, here's one for you. Which store is your go-to for Black Friday deals? And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next scenic drive. Until next time, it's V and Rena signing off.